Hey guys, welcome back to Stacy Goes Outside. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I create fishing videos and I try to post content at least once a week. So if fishing is your jam, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So it's Saturday morning, the beginning of October, and I'm heading out to the Delta with my buddy Junior. And we are not targeting largemouth today. We are targeting stripers. I've been looking at everyone's feeds on Facebook and Instagram, and it's been hit and miss for people. Sometimes they go out and have an awful day. Sometimes they go out and have a flippin' fantastic day. Obviously, I'm rooting for a great time with a lot of hookups, but you never know when the Delta is concerned. I'm going to try to throw glide baits a lot because I do not throw them enough. But I also brought topwater, chatterbait, swim jigs. So hopefully I can get some bites. If not, make sure you stay tuned because I will have a couple more opportunities this month targeting stripers. And enough yapping, I'm going to get on the road and let's go fishing.
Yeah, so we're just super slow rolling.
Yeah, it's going to be like in the low 90s. Good one? All right. Yeah. Good start. All right, first one of the day, folks. What'd you catch it on?
It's an S-waver with a sneaky Pete tail.
Nice. What are we looking at? 24?
Yeah, I would say about 24 right on the dot. Checking on the spear point thing. Not a bad one.
Nope.
Not a bad glide bait.
Nope. Really?
Yeah.
Jeez.
You gotta have some patience for this.
Oh, for sure. Oh my God. Jeez.
Those were giants right there.
Yeah. Oh. It's early. It's not like 1 o'clock, right? Something just, oh no, hit me. Dang. Did you? All right, let me get the net. Oh, come off. No, I got hit too.
Yeah, they're just up here chilling in this shallow water.
Yeah, I didn't even realize it was this shallow.
No action.
Oh, yeah.
Really not.
Yeah. There's a... Oh. Net?
Oh, he got off.
Oh, I saw it. It was good.
He's okay.
Yeah. That'll wake you up. I mean, I don't care if like an 8-pound bass slams it. I mean, I'll take that. Doesn't have to be a striper necessarily. Hey.
Yes, they did want to jerk.
Yeah.
These ones are always fun to get off.
Oh yeah. Grab the bill of the jerkbait.
You can find some schools.
I know. It's not for lack of trying. It's all just leading up to a 30-pounder. If I should switch it up to like a rattle trap or something. Yeah. Got one? Magic. Oh. I got so excited there for a second. You have no idea. God, am I gonna have to tie on a jerkbait or what?
If you want to catch something small.
Oh my God! Came off. Jeez. I'm so excited, yes. All right. Almost forgotten what that felt like. Oh my God. That was a good hit too. Yep.
Little one.
Jerkbait magic. Oh my God! I went to lift my jig out of the water and there was a friggin' fish that came right up chasing it. I don't know. Stupid. God dang it. King of the dinks over here.
Big time.
Nice. What?
Hey, eventually got to eat.
I know. Now, I'm optimistic about tonight. A white and chartreuse chatterbait. Seem to like those light colors. Oh, God. Like a 4-inch striper chasing this. Wow. God, all of this looks so juicy. Jeez. Good one? No? It's the best one in the last couple hours, though.
Yeah, big time.
All right, let's find some big ones.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sam?
Yep. Slammed it.
Oh yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Oh!
Oh! It's a good sign, though. That's a good sign. Didn't have anything to do with me in the net, did it?
No,
Okay.
I'd rather hook him and have him get off than not hook him at all.
Yeah, for sure.
On the right track.
Yeah. Oh my God, my first glide bait fish.
What? There it is, sneaky Pete.
Oh my God, you guys, I did it. It counts. It has to count. I'm not bragging, you guys, but I did it. 11th hour.
Ooh, there's a good
Oh, let me get the net. You sure? Right, Junior with his follow-up fish, a little bigger than
on
mine.
the wood bomber.
I still think mine's more impressive.
Well, yeah,
But-
you worked a lot harder for that one.
Did I double up?
Double up.
Double up.
Alright.
Okay guys, so in case you want to know what I caught my monster fish on, It was the old Sneaky Pete. It's the bone color with the red tail. Man, I wish I would have landed more. I got a couple other swipes on this throughout the day, but couldn't connect. But let me show you what Junior caught his on. So this is the lure that Junior used for his first fish of the morning. It's actually an S waver, but he replaced the tail and put a G-Rat Baits Sneaky Pete tail on it. So got a lot of swipes on that one today. And of course he connected with his first fish on that one. The final fish of the day for him was caught on this Delta wood bobber. All right guys, so obviously not my best day of fishing, but I already have a couple dates on my calendar for this month to go back out and try again. If you've been having success with stripers so far in the Delta, comment below and let me know what you've been using. I know most of you won't drop your spots, but any info is always helpful. And I hope you stay tuned because I don't plan on sucking this much next time. And if you're not big into striper fishing, don't worry because I've got a couple trips planned over the next couple weeks. I'll be targeting bass, I'll be targeting big, huge trout, and who knows what else at this point. If you've been following me for a while and have been enjoying my videos, thank you so much. Hope you keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm coming up on just about 2 years on YouTube, so I totally appreciate the support and everyone who gives me tips, advice, and I'm super grateful for all the companies, big and small, who help me out. So stay tuned, and who knows, maybe the next time I'm out on the Delta trying to catch a big old striper, I'll see you outside. Not sure why I'm drinking this when I can't even taste it anyway.